Hello everyone. If you are using Windows 11, then you already know that it is a very resource-hungry operating system. It doesn't even run smoothly on a 4GB RAM PC, and from the start, it uses around 5GB RAM just from system processes. So, to solve this problem, there is an alternative known as Tiny11OS, which is a stripped-down version of Windows 11 which runs pretty smooth. Now, to install it, search Tiny11 and click on this site. These are some of its key features which makes it sound like Windows 11 Lite. In right side, select ISO image. Beta 1 and 2 are for normal 64-bit CPUs while R1 is for ARM-based CPUs. And no sysreg means no system registration, which you can install on any PC without Microsoft account. I am downloading R1 version. It will take some time, and after that, download Rufus. Now, we will make a bootable USB using Rufus. Plug the USB and open Rufus. Select the USB and ISO file, then hit start. You can customize its installation according to your need, but if it doesn't boot, then just don't customize it. After complete creation of bootable USB, you will see all these files. Now, plug the USB in the PC in which you want to install Tiny11. Its installation is similar to Windows 11 installation. The only difference being it is faster and doesn't require Microsoft account to install Windows. This is Tiny11OS, and it only took around 10GB disk space for installation, which is far less than 60GB for Windows 11. In all apps, you will find that there are many few apps. It also don't have some Microsoft pre-installed apps like PhoneLink, Edge, etc., which is a good thing. You can install them if you need, as it has Microsoft Store. Tiny11 is not cutting on security either. It has latest version of Microsoft Defender. You will see that Windows is not activated. You will find a guide to activate Windows without product key in video description along with all other links. You will get every latest update from Microsoft, including latest Windows update as well. And here is its main plus point. It gives us Windows 11 experience by using under 2GB RAM, which is incredible as Windows 10 uses around 3GB RAM nowadays. It is best OS for everyone who doesn't want those useless Microsoft apps and background tasks. 3GB less RAM usage doesn't seem like much if you have 16GB or more, but it is a lot for an 8GB RAM PC, and extra free RAM helps OS to run smoothly. Apart from this, it also doesn't have any browser, so you have to install one eventually using command prompt or Microsoft Store, but you won't find Chrome there, so to install that, run command prompt as administrator and type winget. This command is used to install and uninstall softwares in Windows. Type winget search Chrome to search Chrome on web. Here you will find many Chrome versions including beta and dev. The stable one is Google Chrome. See its ID and type winget install ID. You can also install other software like this. Now Chrome is installed, which is our only default browser. But now if we see RAM usage, it has gone up about a GB. So if you really want to save RAM, then you should consider using other browser, or you can also turn on memory saver, which frees up some RAM. This is the complete overview of Tiny11OS. In my use time, it seems perfectly smooth and stable, but if you find any problem in it, then comment me down below. You can also install it in VirtualBox, and in my next video, I will be showing you how to install it in VirtualBox, so stay tuned.